Hi! In this tutorial I show you how to draw umbrella icon. We start with polygon tool, which is under the rectangle tool, so click, choose polygon tool, click on the screen, radius 100 pixels and 8 sides. OK. Swap fill and stroke. No stroke. Zoom. Okay, select. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and choose Pucker and Bloat. Here, -6%. OK. Object. Expand appearance. Now choose Line Segment tool and draw a straight line holding Shift. Stroke maybe white. 1 point. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and choose Transform. Here, rotate 45 degrees and make 3 copies. You can preview. OK. Now, choose Rotate tool, click twice, and here, angle 22.5 degrees. OK. Now go to Object, Expand Appearance. Select all and go to Horizontal Align Center and Vertical Align Center. Select all, go to Pathfinder and choose Divide. Now coloring. Go to Direct Selection tool, select and choose color gray, but fill, not stroke. Okay, now select the black one and choose color blue, fill, no stroke. Now choose Mesh tool, it's here, fill, choose white color and click here. Just click. Click here on blue, but change the color. Blue, darken, dark blue. Maybe. Okay, this is good. Click, click, and click. Okay. Now choose Ellipse tool and draw a circle with Shift in the middle. Go to Object, Path, Offset Path, -3 pixels, OK, and color set to gray. group, select all, align horizontal center and vertical center. Group. Select all, go to effect, stylize, drop shadow. And here preview, have multiply, 4 pixels, blur 5 pixels. Okay. Choose rectangle tool, draw a rectangle, color with orange, right click, arrange, send to back, and this is finished.